Hello and welcome to the video on special right triangles. Now this video is not going to show you how to calculate special right triangles. This video is only going over the objectives of the lesson. It is going over the vocabulary that you're going to encounter in the lesson, and it's going to show you the images selected from the MCAS formula sheet. The videos that show you how to calculate special right triangles are the Khan Academy videos linked into this assignment. Okay? So the first thing that we need to look at is our objectives. So we need to identify the types of special right triangles. We need to be able to apply the special right triangle rules to algebraic problems. And we need to be able to explain how to solve a special right triangle problem from start to finish. So there's some vocabulary that you're going to run into. The first words are isosceles right triangle. Now, this should not be new to you because we've talked about isosceles right triangles before. But an isosceles right triangle is a triangle with two sides equal. So if I had, I need to turn on the pen. If I had a triangle. Oh, no. Needs to look like a right triangle. This is a right angle. These guys would be equal. And those angles would be 45 degrees no matter what. Okay, why are those angles 45 degrees? Well, think about it. What's the angle measures of a triangle? 180. We know that one of those angles is 90. So that gives me 90. That gives me 90 degrees left over. We know because these sides are congruent, these angles are congruent as well. So that has to be 90 divided by 2, which comes up to 45. The hypotenuse of a triangle is the longest side of a triangle. So in this case, it is that side. The Pythagorean theorem works in a right triangle where the side lengths are A, B, and C, where C is the hypotenuse. B, C. So we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And then the length of the hypotenuse is equal to A squared plus B squared. So a radical is a mathematical symbol that means square root. So if we had radical 25, we are looking for the square root of 25, which is 5. Okay? This symbol always means square root. If you had this symbol, that would mean cubed root. This symbol would mean fourth root, etc., etc., etc. Okay? So, but we're really only going to be concerning ourselves with the square root this time. All right? So on the MCAS formula sheet, you are given the formulas for special right triangles. You are given the 45, 45, 90. We call this the 45, 45, 90. And we call this the 60, 30, 90. Because the angle measures are either 60, 30, 90 or 45, 45, 90. Now, there are other right triangles that exist beyond these two types of right triangles, but these two have a pattern to their sides. I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to let the Khan Academy videos explain how to algebraically calculate these. I hope you have a great week. Thank you very much for listening.